y is equals to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Then we need to find dy by dx. Okay. So first of all, you just try to simplify it using trigonometric formula and relations. After that, we need to apply dy by dx. Okay. So this is cos x by 1 plus sin x, right? I am going to write this cos x in terms of sin as well this sin in terms of cos to use certain trigonometric formula. Rewrite this cos x as sin of 90 minus x. Is it right? Sin of 90 minus x is cos x divided by 1 plus, here we have sin x. You just write that sin x as cos of 90 minus x. Is it clear? Sin of 90 minus x is cos x. Cos of 90 minus x is sin x. And so cos x by 1 plus sin x is sin of 90 minus x by 1 plus cos of 90 minus x. Now, see, treat this sin of 90 minus x as some sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Is it clear? So if you treat this 90 minus x as 2 theta, theta is half of this 90 minus x, which is 45 minus x by 2. Half of this 90 minus x is 45 minus x by 2. So sin of 90 minus x can be written as 2 sin of theta. That means half of this angle, which is 45 minus x by 2 into cos of 45 minus x by 2 divided by, now in the denominator, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Since we are treating this 45 minus x by 2 as theta, this cos of 90 minus x is 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square of, again half of this, which is 45 minus x by 2. Is it clear? Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This square and this cos of 45 minus x by 2 gets cancelled. Sin by cos of 45 minus x by 2 is what? Tan. So finally we have y is equals to